Snowstorm. Snowstorm gets its name from just how it sounds. It looks like a fluffy white snowstorm cascading down the sides of baskets and upright containers. Snowstorm produces its strongest results in full sun to partial shade. So if you have one of those containers or garden spots that tend to stay moist and get a little bit of shade during the heat of the day, then try Snowstorm series to liven things up. Snowstorm is available in these great options: Snowstorm Blue, Snowstorm Pink, Snowstorm White, and Snowstorm Giant Snowflake.